I bought this ranunculus corm a month ago and I misplaced it. So I'm going to soak this in water and wait till the size doubles. After 3 hours of soaking, the size has doubled. So you plant it this way, the claws down. It's this big wood. I'm gonna grow this under the grow light because I did this outside. It was not successful. My soil is moist and I'm adding here seed starting mix. It's never late to pre-sprout the corms. I'm so static that all of them have buds after 12 days. This one corm has 5 buds. This one is 7. This one is 4. It would be very nice if this would transform into this 7 or 8 different colors of blossoms. I have to be very careful so as not to hurt the roots. I did not know that the roots are well established. I think they're about 4 inches long. They're longer than the buds. I would have potted this 3 days ago. I have to ensure that all the roots are covered with soil. The plants look small after potting them. Please consider subscribing to my channel, like and share my videos. May you have a productive day.